What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install new speakers to the front doors. Let's do it. Alright guys, today I have new speakers. I have some kicker speakers, but in this video we are only going to install the front doors. And on the next video we're gonna install the rear ones that are behind the rear seat. Alright? So let's open the box. See it. So I have the connection. I think these are the adapters, and this is what I have. These are the speakers that I got. The brand is Kicker. This is the model number, and I hope these ones are better. So let's open this. To remove the door panel, you only have to remove one screw that is here. You have to remove this plastic. It has, I think, 1 or 2 screws, and you have to remove this foam and disconnect this, and that's it. You just pull everything. Alright guys, as you can see, this one I have to drill it. That's the only way to remove these things. It has 3, so I have to disconnect first and then drill these ones so I can put the new adapters, okay? Alright, I already removed this one. One thing I have to say, when you have these grommets, these ones, you have to destroy them because it's very hard to remove them. So what I did, instead of going straight, I did it like this, in an angle, like this, to destroy them, because I broke one of my drill bits because I was trying to go straight in here. I was trying to destroy this straight, so but the grommet, it was spinning at the same time as the drill bit, as this one. So the best way to do it in an angle like this to destroy them, destroy the grommets. And you can see here the the speaker. Oh man, it's very crappy and cheap. Look at the back. Oh man, this is super cheap. So good thing I decided to upgrade the other one. So let me show you the difference from the other one. Alright, this is the OEM and this is the Kicker. You can see it. The front, it looks almost the same, but when you turn it back, look this magnet, man, super big. And look this one. What? Super cheap, man. And this one, amazing. I hope this one will sound super amazing, super cool and loud. I know I need a better stereo, but that one is for the future. I will upgrade the stereo too. Alright, so let's install this thing. Right there you can see all the screws. It's already tight, but the only thing I'm gonna need screws to put the speaker on the top. I don't have those. Oh yeah, I think I have some over there. Okay, let me get some. But you can see it there, it's very easy. Check the connection first. Oh yeah, fixed perfectly. And this is this you just plug it to the speaker. So the wires, I'm gonna put the links of everything on the description of the video, okay? I have one little problem. This adapter has a hole in order for you to slide the cable, but I left it on the bottom, so I have to move it so the hole is on the top and I can slide the cables over here. Alright, so let's do that first. Alright, now it's ready for the speaker. But one thing I was wrong. They do fit the holes. They fit. You don't have to make any hole bigger. I was wrong. So if you locate the hole for the wire in this area, all the holes are gonna fit perfectly. You can see it there. All of them. I didn't have to make the hole bigger. Alright, so now let's put the speaker. Now for the connection, as you can see here, one is a thin and one is a wider. I don't know if you can see it there. So on this connection is the same. One is small and one is wider. So it's very easy. You wanna be able to connect the thin one on the wide one because it's very small. Okay, I got these new screws and washers. These are the ones I'm gonna put there. You can see it. And the screws are this. Alright, so these are the ones I am gonna use for the speakers. Alright, one side is ready, but before I put everything back, I have to check that the speaker works. first we're gonna test the sound. This is the stock sound, alright, with the original speakers. Let me look for music that is not copyrighted. Okay, let me go the volume 20. This is 20. 10. 30. That's 30. Now 40. Okay, that's the stock speaker, the original speakers. It doesn't sound that bad. Okay, now both speakers are installed, so I'm very excited to see the difference. Let's hear the difference, okay? Oh, it's this one. This is 10. Wow, it's louder, and at 30, it's louder. Alright, I like it. This is 40. Okay. Alright, I like it. Okay guys, those are the new speakers. I like them a lot. They are louder than the stock speakers, but I still have to put the rear ones on the rear seat. So those are gonna be on the next video, okay? Let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video. And subscribe for more videos like this one. And hit the notification bell so you can see the next video for the speakers. Alright, see you on the next video.